One human sneeze blasts 100,000 germs at speeds faster than a race car, rocketing through the air at over 100 miles per hour. In the blink of an eye, a single sneeze can send microscopic missiles flying as far as 26 feet, almost the length of a city bus. That tiny tickle in your nose? It's actually the trigger for a biological explosion. When you sneeze, your body forcefully expels droplets loaded with bacteria and viruses, transforming a simple reflex into a high-powered launch event. Scientists have watched these sneeze clouds in slow motion, and the results are wild. Invisible to the naked eye, these clouds can linger in the air and spread germs across a whole room, reaching people and surfaces you'd never expect. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, you're about to unleash a microscopic storm, turning a split-second sniffle into a full-on germ-launching spectacle.